Hey everybody, today we're in a Genesis GV80. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855887. Before we get started, we just want to make sure that you install the mount onto the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach in two different places. The first is the seam up here. Basically, it's between the instrument hood here and the piece of the dash that's farther back, so right in here. The second place is the front lip of this same instrument hood right here. So we're going to start. Comes with two gap openers, and we're going to insert them back here. First one's going to go kind of right where the curve of the dash starts to go up top. We're just going to insert it right there. We're going to take the second one. The second one's going to go down farther, basically as far down as you can get it, right next to the screen over here. Then we're going to take the mount, and we're going to take this back lip, and we're going to insert it into that newly opened seam. That is a pretty tight seam, so you might have to start with one side and kind of wiggle it in, but it should go in there. Once it's in, take the gap openers out. Now that the back lip's in place, we're going to install the front. And to do that, we're going to put one hand here just to make sure the back lip doesn't pop out as we do this. And this is going to require a decent amount of force. We're going to put our other hand on the faceplate, and we're going to pull out with our thumb and push back with our fingers just so we get a little leverage. And this bend needs to flex enough so that this lip comes down around the front of the dash. And you want to be careful that you don't scratch your leather. Once it's down over the front, you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.